how to turn on or turn off camera settings to keep high picture resolutions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the camera settings, we scroll down and then tap on settings to keep. Next in here, we go down and tap on high picture resolutions. Tap on the toggle button to turn on this function. Otherwise, tap on the toggle button to disable it. Now sit here, when you turn on, keep 50 and 200 megapixel resolutions applied instead of switching to the default resolution when you close camera. And so turn on or off according to your like, and then tap on the back key to go back to your camera. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.